All right, guys, here we go. We're going to do our artistic gifts. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up here to File, Open, and you're going to find the one you downloaded off of Google Classroom. There's my portrait. There she is. And I don't know what I'm going to do here. But the first thing I'm going to want to make sure I check is that my layers are open. And I've got my layers. There they are right there. I'm going to unlock layer number 1. And I'm going to just make a bunch of copies of this. So I don't know how many. I might say 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 5. There we go. That's good. So I've got my original, and then I've got a bunch of other. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to double click on the layer, and I'm going to just put each layer number in case I mess them up. I don't want to, like, if I accidentally drag one, I got to know where it's at. So now I don't know what I'm going to do here. I'm going to draw on it, but I'm not really sure exactly how I want to draw on it. There's lots of things you can do. You can write words. You can do whatever you need. But mine's going pretty quick. And why did this open? Okay. So what I want to do is I'm going to start on layer 2, not my original one. And you're going to notice that what I'm going to do is find a brush. I click on a brush, and I've got this purple. And I think I'm just going to draw right over here on this. Just going to draw right. Oh, wait. Why am I not seeing it? Oh, that's because, you got to make sure all of them are hid. There you go. Make sure all of them are hid except for number 2. I'm just going to go ahead and draw on it. You don't have to draw exactly what I'm drawing, but I'm just drawing along the outside here. Okay. You can't see my cursor because of the way that my screen's set up, so don't worry about it too much. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and I'm going to click on another. I've got another color that I'm going to do. Okay, but now look over. I'm on 3. Do you see how I'm on 3? Okay, so I'm just going to come over. I'm going to scroll down. Let's do another one. So notice I'm on layer number 3. That was 2. Now I'm going to unhide it. There you go. So now I'm on 3. Make sure 3 is highlighted. And I'm just going to go a little bit further out than I did before, because I want this to make it look like this is traveling. I'm just going to every once in a while click off of it to make sure that I'm just moving a little bit further out. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the next one. So notice I've got that. I'm just going to check that one. Now I'm on 4. See how 4 is highlighted? I'm just going to kind of click here, make sure it's working. Now I'm going to grab a different color. There we go. And let's go ahead and draw here. We're going to draw on 4. So now I'm on 4. Just draw a little bit more out here. Like I said, I'll click off of it every once in a while just to check it to make sure it's working. Yeah. Okay. There. Oh, yep. There we go. All right. So now I'm going to grab another color, but I'm also going to go up to 5. See now 5 is highlighted. I'm going to unhide it. So now I'm working on 5. Change my color a little bit. Press OK. And now I'm going to draw a little bit further out. So there's my 5. Or sorry, that was layer 4. Now layer 5 I'm drawing on. Just a little bit. And again, notice I keep going back to the one underneath of it to see, make sure I'm doing it right. Just unhide 5 every once in a while. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay. Now let's go over and we're going to do another one. But before I do that, I kind of want to add more. So I'm going to make some more copies of 6. And I'm going to rename it 7. And I'm kind of feeling it. Yeah. Maybe I'll make one more. I don't know. But now I'm just going to grab another color. I'm going to go further down here. Okay. So I'm going to just draw a little bit further out here. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's draw on 6. Notice it's highlighted and it's unhidden. Okay. And like I said, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling another one on top of this. I have it kind of vibrate twice, which will look pretty cool. So I'm just going to draw around the outside here. And now I'm going to go up. I'm going to make a copy of 7, I think. Just to kind of do one more. No. Okay. So I'm just going to scroll down here and get another color. There's that nice orange I want. So I'm going to draw directly onto 7. Yeah, you know what? Let's make a copy of 7. So now we're going to go 8. We got 8 frames. So 7, 8. So right before I draw on it now, notice 7 and 8 are both blank. 6 is working though. Okay, so now I'm drawing onto 7. Okay, then we'll draw on this last one. So I'm just going to move up to 8, make sure it's highlighted. I can see it. Get this nice red color. And I'll draw the last one. There we go. Just kind of following that contour. All right, so that works. So now that I'm all ready, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have to make files from, I'm going to have to make slides from layer. Why isn't that working over here? It should be right. Oh, wait. I know it is. I got to go over and I've got to create a frame animation. Go click frame animation, then come over here and go to make frames from layers. There it is. Now I can see they're all working. And I'm going to play this bad boy. That went really quick. So it's only on once. So I'm going to change it to forever and try it again. There you go. She vibrates. I probably want to slow it down a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop this one. And I'm going to highlight all these. So I click on all of them, hold shift and click on all of them. I'm going to go to 0.1 seconds. There we go. That looks a lot better. So, all right, guys. You can see how she vibrates nicely. If I wanted to, I could change one of the frames, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. If you want to save the entire thing so you can work on it some more, go File, Save As. Just save it as a Photoshop document. But if you want to export it as a GIF, you go to File, Export, and then Save for Web Legacy. Make sure it's a GIF. Save it. And I'm going to just label Portrait 1. Put in my GIF practice here. And let's rename. Yeah, it's good. All right. So I'm just going to press Save. What's up here? There you go. Save. And there you go. Your GIF is all ready to go.